Hey all, I'm back with a special guest, the fantastic Woody Van Eyden, who is here to give you some exclusive insights into the music business. Woody is an internationally acclaimed music manager, a DJ, a trance producer, a label owner, so he really knows what he's talking about. This is part 3 of a 5-part video series, so if you haven't seen videos 1 and 2 yet, please make sure to check them out. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Kirsten and I'm an audiovisual artist under the name Naoki. I've also recently written the book Performing Electronic Music Live, and one of my chapters talks about planning and promoting your show. It includes a special tutorial by the incredible Woody Van Eyden, who's back here today to give you part 3 of his 5-part music industry series. So today Woody is going to talk about the importance of contracts. So without further ado, I'm going to pass over to Woody now.
Hi there, me again, Woody Van Eyden, and the next topic I want to speak with you about is why do I need contracts? You know, contracts are those, I don't understand, I don't want to read it, just put my signature on and that's it. Don't do that, you know. A contract is then needed when you have problems, because before you have a problem, you don't look at your contract. But when the problem is there, your contract should be good and it should be good for you. Now, I will take an easy example. Just imagine you have a neighbor, John, and John plays guitar. You have a lovely track, and you say, hey John, can you come over and play guitar? Yeah, sure. John comes over, play the guitar, he goes back, blah, blah, blah. 2 years later, you finally finish your production, you send it to a record company, and it goes a worldwide hit. What will happen to John? Because of course you didn't write, you know, a share for John in, you have the contract signed to a record company, it goes global and you have a big hit, selling millions of records and millions of streams. John will come around and say, hey listen, that's my guitar. Or, you know, where is my share? You know. So for that reason, you should have like a little receipt saying, my name is Frank and I invited John to play guitar on date blah 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 blah, and whenever money comes in, John will get 10%, or I will pay John 50 euros one-time flat payment, and all the rights to use these things, that recording is for me. Because a lot of people don't, if I get a demo and there's a beautiful voice in it, they say, oh, where's that voice from? Yeah, I took it from the internet. Go like, no, you can't do that. And even if you buy royalty-free CDs, where you have, or royalty-free samples, royalty-free does not mean that you own the whole composition, because the ownership of something creative will stay for lifetime with the people that wrote it, music or the vocals. So always think about, you know, what can I do? Because as I said, in 2 years, John will come and you have a problem because you release something that was not owned by you. So make something in written, and the internet is full of tutorials how to do that. It's easy. And an easy contract can be a little piece of paper and you and John signing it, and that's all done then, you know. So it is really important to at least look at the contracts you will get to sign and try to understand them. And in my next topic I will speak about who do I need to be able, for instance, to write a contract. So over to the next one.
Again, some fantastic tips from Woody. I definitely agree, contracts are super important. Have any of you ever been in a tricky legal dispute? If you fancy sharing your experiences, let us know in the comments down below and we would love to hear your story. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for part 4, where Woody is going to talk about how to build a team around yourself that can progress your music career. Also, if you want to find out more about how to put on an amazing electronic live show, connect with fans and so on, please make sure to check out my book, which I'll link down below in the description. Lastly, also check out Woody's streaming platform Support Your DJ, which is an amazing streaming platform that allows you to watch your favorite DJs from the comfort of your own home. That's it from us for today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!